Hello guys, good day and welcome to my channel Namalik TV. Today I'm going to show you a platform that is very legit for BTC mining. On this video I'm going to show you how to register and how to purchase your hash rate and also how to make your withdrawal after you finish your mining. This platform is a new platform and everybody need to go and register. Like I told you, this is a BTC mining platform and is very legit. So go down to the description of my video. I will drop the link for everybody to copy and register. So first of all, if you come to your Google and paste out the link, just paste out the link, it will straight take you to the platform page, and this is how you can see the platform. It's my network. This is how you can see the page of the platform. That is how it looks, and you can see the name is MineLab, and you have a boldly written mine crypto simply and daily up to 3%. The fastest ways to mine cryptocurrency, we are based in the United Kingdom. So like you can see, this platform is based in the United Kingdom. So if you want to register on the platform, what you do is just click on the start. Once you click on the start, it will bring you to this page where you can see how to register yourself on this platform. And the first thing they require is your name, your first name, your last name, your email address, and the passwords. Once you put all these beautiful things, you just click on the sign up. So once you click on the sign up, it automatically take you to another page where you can input your login and click on I'm not a robot, like you can see. Then you sign in. So once you sign in, you can see I already registered my two-factor, so I have to go back to my two-factor and pick up the codes. So once you take your code, you come back to the page and paste out the code and verify. This is good for your security. Like you can see, this is how the platform page is all about. You can see top here, you can see MineLab. Then you can see your name, buy hash rate, withdrawal. This is where you can see overview, everything about your mining. This is your account balance. This also your active hash rate, and this is the live hash rate where you can see the movement of your hash rates. And also if you come down here where you can see the chart for your live hash rate, also down you can see the mining outputs. This is where you can see your mining outputs, and at the below of the page you can see your referral link. This is where you can copy your referral link and share it with anyone you want to share. So first of all, you see these three dots by the right side. You click on them, you can see the settings of the platform. This is where you can see your name, like you can see your balance with Afia, available balance, your active hash rate, the price of the hash rate, and the withdrawal too. You can view up your profile. This is where you can see your profile. When you come here, you can input your phone number, you can add your date of birth, and also you can add your address. So after you finish, you can even go to the security. so that you can register your, if you want to change your password, you can change your password here. And if you want to register for your two-factor, you can enable your two-factor here. And also you can go to your login activities where you can see all your activities here. So let me take you to the place to show you how to buy your hash rate. Like you can see on this page, buy hash rate. So you firstly click on the buy hash rates. As you click on the buy hash rates, like you can see, the minimum you can buy is 1 hash rate. You can choose to buy more than one. You can buy like 2 hash rates. You can see the price below, equivalent of BTC that you are expected to pay. And also here you can buy up to hundreds if you like to buy. So what you do, as you can see, you click on the amount of hash rate you want to purchase. You come down, you can see the equivalent of the amount. Then you choose the method of your payments. You can either pay with BTC, you can pay with Ethereum, you can pay with a credit card, you can also pay with Litecoin, Binance Coin, you can pay with USDT. All these are available to make your payment. After choosing your payment method, you now click on continue. Once you click on the continue, it will take you to another page where you can see the barcode. If you want to make your payment through your barcode, you can scan the barcode here. And if you can not, then you come down here, you can take the wallet address that you are expected to make your deposit. And this is the equivalent amount you are expected to pay. Once you make the payment, it will automatically confirm your transaction here. It will automatically confirm your transaction. So once it confirms, you can come back to your dashboard. And once you come back to the dashboard, you can see your balance appear here, and your active hash rate is going to appear here, and your live hash rate is going to be reading here. So this is how to buy your hash rates. And if you want to make a withdrawal, it's just as easy as you can think of. You just click on your withdrawal, as you can see here. Once you click on your withdrawal, so the only thing you need is to go to your wallet and take your BTC address and paste it here. Then you come down here, you write the amount you want to withdraw. Once you input the amount you want to withdraw, you go to your two-factor and take your code, paste it here, and click on your withdrawal. And once you click on the withdrawal, it will just take few minutes. Your withdrawal will drop in your wallet. And also there are some activities that this platform is offering, like this affiliate program. Under the affiliate program, you can see there are tags they normally give. There are banners, invites, and also representative apply. So you can go through all this to see which one you can go and try. And also you can check your contacts. If you have some referrals, all your referrals will appear here, so that you will see their history. And that is how the platform is all about. So I'm expecting all of you to rush and register on this platform, and make sure you enjoy the benefits before it's too late. If you like this video, go down to the description of the video. You will see a link. Copy the link and go and register. Thank you for watching the video. See you on my next video.